Hi everyone, my name is Shilpi Kumar and today I am going to make my how to do composting video. Before I talk about how to do composting, I just want to say few things about what are the benefits of composting. First benefit is that it significantly reduces your waste. My trash can we were creating a one huge bin of trash every week. Instead of that, one small bag of trash is that what we have now. Second point, it is really good for your garden. Any plant you have in your yard, whether it's in your front yard, indoor plants, or your vegetable bed. We have been using compost for last 2 years and you can see the result. All the vegetables are doing really well and without any extra other fertilizer. Compost is one of the main ingredient fertilizer which we have been using. So it brings us to our second point, how to do composting. So that here is this black magic box which is doing all the magic. Now you can always do composting. There are many other ways that you can collect your kitchen scrape in a bucket or in a dig a hole and collect it in there. But I feel that this small investment makes composting very easy and organized. So let me talk little bit about what is this black box doing. This box is divided into two parts. The first part, there's a clock where it's all the processing, decomposting is happening. Second part, this plus sign. This is more like a collector where I bring my trash from the kitchen every morning or schedule it, whatever your schedule permits. So I collect my trash in a day and bring back and add it to this plus sign section. My compost has anything from the kitchen except meat or grease. Other than that, any vegetable or fruit scrape, uh, uh, tea leaves, coffee leaves, everything can go there. For example, here I have onion peel, some mangoes peel, this is curry leaf, some tea leaf, chilies. So whatever you have in your kitchen, coming out of the kitchen, it can go in there. So here is my plus sign where I can add it. So this is act as a collector. For right now I am going to dump everything from my morning in here, and you are collecting, you are adding it in this plus sign. So it is going to decompose as well, but the thing is, it is more like you're collecting it. But the second section, this clock part, it's more like the cooking has started. So the closest example which I can give is like cooking in a slow cooker. So before you turn the plug on or turn the switch on, this is the part where it is plus, you're just adding your new stuff. But the clock, after you have turned the switch on, then you need to let that, no new material should be added. Because what will happen is, if you're going to add new material, that it is different vegetables will be at a different state, or different waste will be at a different state. All of them needs to be decomposed and become more like a soil. So the second part, the clock part, it almost takes 3 months. So after 12 weeks or so, you will start looking into it and seeing that there is no smell. It has decomposed into more like a soil material texture it has got. Then it is ready for your vegetable bed. So here also one very important part comes is adding browns. Browns are the material which is like dry leaves, cardboards and papers. I do collect that over throughout the year and put this in a bag in my garage. And as you see that after adding like 2 bins of this, I add half of bin of this brown material. What does this brown material do? It has high in carbon. It creates space, air. So it does whatever the water coming out of the your veggie, it absorbs that and helps it to disintegrate. So this is where you can add in both of that section, in the cooking, in this clock one, or in the plus one. Wherever you see that it's more watery, then you add some brown in it, and this helps to absorb the water and disintegrate and become decomposed. This is after 3 months. You will see that it's a brown lump of, it looks more like a soil, but it's still very wet and lumpy. So what I do after that is, I took out, I just move this, slide this can, turn it around and take out everything from this which has been done, and take out in a cardboard paper, a cardboard box or anything where it can get the, you can leave it outside. I leave this outside for a couple of days or a week, and then it dries and becomes like complete soil texture, which is dried out. You can add that in any plant which you have at home. And one easy part for using a compost bin is that it's when you twist and turn this compost bin, what it happens, it shuffles it, the material inside it, so it helps in decomposing sooner. That's all it is in the compost, using a compost bin. I hope that my video has convinced you to start your composting journey, and thank you so much for watching this video.